Welcome. I'm so glad you decided to take advantage of the Free Motion Quilting Alphabet eBook mini course. In this course, you will start to stitch designs based on using the characters in the alphabet. In your ebook, you have multiple sections. The first section is the stitching path. How to stitch and the direction, how to stitch certain parts of the alphabet to create designs. From there, the next section are designs based on those stitching paths. In each section, there will be a video, an example of how you can stitch a free motion quilting design. Also, there are 2 assignments to help you practice and to combine designs and create your own. Once you get started, share your progress in the discussion. Ask questions in the discussion. Be a part of the community. When we are part of the community, it helps us to grow and we lift one another up. We encourage others to continue to take their lessons and to practice. So I can't wait to see what you create with your free motion quilting alphabet-based designs.